In the last class, what we have learned? We have learned how to convert a fraction into decimal, how to read and write that number, isn't it? Today, we will compare the two decimal numbers. Okay, let us have one example. Here, I have two decimal numbers, 3.55 and 3.05. How to compare these two decimals? First of all, we have to look the digits this side, at the either side of decimal point. See, at the either side 3 is there and this number also 3 is there. So, can we compare? 3, both are same. Now, we have to move the next number which is after the decimal point. See here, after decimal point 5 is there and in the second number after decimal point 0 is there. So, we know 5 is always greater than 0. So, this number is greater than this number. Isn't it, my dear students? Then, which sign we have to write here? This one. Very good. Like this, we have to compare the two decimals. Okay. This is about the comparing of decimal numbers. Now we will learn about how to add two decimal numbers and how to subtract that. First of all, we will learn about the addition of decimals. Okay. Before that, we have to see one video. In that, you will find one example for addition of decimal. Here one boy is there and he went to buy watermelon. And the shopkeeper, what that shopkeeper did? Yes, the shopkeeper made the 3 pieces of watermelon. And how much is that? Let us see this video.
Sanjeev sells fruits in a market. He cuts a watermelon into 3 unequal pieces and weighs them. The pieces weigh 1.25 kilograms, 1.5 kilograms, and 2.355 kilograms. Then, what would have been the weight of the whole watermelon?
Yes, what is the weight of the 3 pieces of watermelon? Yes, one of the piece is 1.25 kgs. And the second piece is 1.5 kg. And the third piece is 2.355 kg. Isn't it, my dear students? Yes. And the boy want to add these numbers. Now, how to do that? Let us see with this video again.
Weight of the watermelon, we need to add the weights of the pieces. Here, one of the decimal numbers has 3 decimal places. As we know, in order to add decimal numbers, the first step is to convert all the numbers to like decimals. So, we need to add zeros on the right side of the other decimals to have 3 decimal places. The next step is to write the numbers in columns. Then, add the numbers vertically, starting from the first column from the right side. Add the digits in the third decimal place, we get 5. Write 5 in the answer row. Add the digits in the second decimal place. We get 10. In order to regroup, we write 0 in the answer row and carry over the 1 on top of the row on the left. Now, add the digits in the first decimal place and the carried over 1. We get 11. Write 1 in the answer row and carry over 1 to the place on the left. Now bring down the decimal point in the answer row. Finally, add the digits in the ones place of the numbers. We get 5. Write 5 in the answer row. The sum of the decimal numbers is 5.105. That is, the weight of the whole watermelon is 5.105 kilograms.
Yes, what we have learned? Yes, the number should be one after the another and the decimal should be at the one place and either the decimal. Yes, after the decimal, all the numbers should be in the tabular form. And another numbers also one after another. In this way, we can do addition. How? Let us do the addition now. See, here nothing is there. So we can put 0. Okay, and now we can add 0 plus 0 plus 5. That is 5. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 5, that is 10. 1 goes up to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. And 8 plus 3, that is 11. So 1 goes here. And after decimal, we should put decimal. Below the decimal should be there. Okay. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 plus 2, that is 5. So, total, the weight of watermelon is, the 3 pieces are of 5.105 kgs. Okay, my dear students, this is about addition of decimal numbers. Now, let us learn the subtraction of decimal numbers. Yes, my dear students, here I have an example for subtraction of decimal. 79.73 should be subtracted from by 57.15. Now how to do this? Let me tell you. 3 minus 5. Can we do that? No. We have to take borrow from 7. So at the place of 7, it becomes 6. And in the place of 3, that becomes 30. Yes, you have learned in the subtraction topic, isn't it? Now 13 minus 5. How much it is? Yes, that is 8, isn't it? Then 6 minus 1, that is 5. Now, below the decimal, we should put the decimal point. Okay. Then 9 minus 7, how much it is? 2. And 7 minus 5, that is again 2. Like this, in the simple way, we can do subtraction. If you know subtraction, how to do subtraction, then we can easily do subtraction of decimal numbers. Now let us move on to some real life problems. In our real life also, we come across many such problems related to decimal. Now let us have one problem for that. Okay. Yes. Now you will find one example here in this image. Okay. Just read it out. Shahana's weight is 40 kg 3 gram. Yes, and her brother's weight is 53 kg and 202 grams. Express these weights using decimals. Here we have two persons. Okay, one of the person have certain weight, but it is not exact form. It is in kg and gram. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to convert this into decimal. How to do that? Let us see. So here, what is given? Shahana's weight. How much it is? 40 kg and 3 grams. Okay, this is the two numbers they have given in the 2 units. We have to merge it into 1 unit. How to do that? You know very well, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. This you have learned in last class, isn't it? Now, here 3 gram is there. Now, how to convert this 3 gram into kg? So, 3 gram is nothing but, yes, 3 gram is nothing but 3 divided by 1000 kg. Isn't it, my dear students? Yes. Now, how to do this example? 40 kg plus 3 divided by 1000 kg. Yes, we get the 2 units same now, kg and kg. Yes. Here, how to add this? Now this is in the fractional form. You know very well how to convert the fractional form into decimals. How to do this? Yes. 3 means always there is a dot after 3. You know it very well. Now when we divide by 1000, what happens? This point jumps 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. Means what? here 0 0 should be there. So 0.003. Yes, this is our answer, and this answer we have to write here. Now 40 plus 0.003 kg. Here we can add very easily. How to add this? 40 and 0. So 40 is nothing but after 40 we can put decimal number. That doesn't affect to the real number. Okay. 40.00. We can write like this. And second number is 0.003. Yes, here we have to add. How to add? 0 plus 3, that is 3 again. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0, and below the decimal we have to put decimal. And 4 divided 4 is here. Now the answer is 40.003 kg. Yes, we have converted Sahana's weight into this decimal form. Now the second one is there. Sahana's brother having weight 53 kg and 202 grams. Now how to convert this into kg? Let us see. 53 plus 202 divided by 1000 kg. Isn't it? Similar way. Here gram how to convert? Divided by 1000 we have to do. Here also we can divide by 1000. Now see 53 plus where this dot goes? See here 202. So dot is always after this number. If no decimal point is there means that decimal point is after any number in invisible form. Okay. Yes. If we divide by 1000, what will happen? This point jumps 3 steps. Why 3 steps? Because 3 zeros are there. Isn't it? If there is 1 zero, then it jumps only 1 step. Yes? Let us see what happened. 1, 2 and 3. So, here we get where the dot comes. Yes, before the digit. So, 202. That is that much kg. Now here we can write 0.202 kg. After adding, how much value we get? Yes, 53 point. Nothing is there means we can put point and zeros. Yes, and 0.202. Here, by doing addition, what we get? Let us see. 2, 0, 2, 3 and below decimal should be there and 5. So here we get the answer 53.202 kg. Yes, we have converted both the weight into decimal. Like this we can solve any real life problem. But here you have to know all the conversions. Means liter to milliliter, kg to gram and meter to kilometer. All this conversion you have to know. Okay, for homework you have to write on a sheet all the conversions as a homework and you have to show me in the online class. I will ask all of you the conversions. Conversions means what? Here I have written 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Like that. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Like this, all the conversions you can find in your previous class textbook. Okay, just find it out and just write it out as a poster. Okay, and paste it anywhere in your room. You have to know all the conversions thoroughly. Okay, in the online class